So for those that are wondering about our environmental impact and our sustainability, we make every effort to cast these out of reprocessed plastic. And we can't always get as much as we need for a production run, so sometimes they have some virgin. Most of the time they've always got some reprocessed in there. The other thing that I think is a key factor is we're making these out of polypropylene, and we've got the recycling symbol here. It's a number 5. This is one of the most recyclable and reusable plastics that's out there. But really, we're not making this as a short-term use product, which I think is a problem in the plastic industry. You know, a lot of things get made, used very quickly, and tossed out. This, we're using the plastic because we want it to stick around for a long time. So that's why it's really nice when we can use reprocessed plastic, because now we're burying it in the ground for a structural purpose. We've got UV stabilization in here to keep the sun from breaking this down. We plant it, cover it with plant material, and so it really, in theory, will last forever if the sun doesn't get on it. And we're filling this with huge volumes of locally made compost, which gives you quite a nice carbon footprint, because we can actually calculate based on the face area exactly how much compost would go in the face, so we can tell you what the carbon footprint of that is. And then when you plant plants in here, the plants are pulling carbon out of the atmosphere, sequestering it back into the soil, so now you have a long-term planted carbon footprint as well. And again, these are not a single-use plastic. These things get used, and then 20 years later, they're still performing the structural function.